बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। हेलो, हाय, अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स। How are you all guys? I hope so you all are fine. I am also fine. Alhamdulillah. So viewers, in this video I am going to share with you a most stunning and very beautiful and very pretty sewing craft ideas for you guys. So viewers, if you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon for more updates and for more videos. These are very beautiful and very amazing and very latest sewing ideas for you guys. Hope so guys, you all are doing well. So viewers, you guys make the sewing craft at home very easily. You guys watch tutorials on YouTube about how to make these sewing ideas at home. Thank you so much guys for supporting my channel. So viewers, hope so you enjoyed this video. These are very amazing and very unique and very classy sewing craft ideas for you guys. Thank you guys for watching my videos, and I'm glad to see you all guys. These are very beautiful and very amazing home storage ideas for you guys. You guys make these sewing craft ideas at home. Thank you so much guys for watching my videos and for supporting my channel. these are very pretty and these are very amazing and very unique sewing craft ideas for you guys. You guys make the sewing craft work at home, and I'm glad to see you all guys. Thank you so much for supporting my channel, and thank you so much for supporting my videos. Always think positive, guys. Always be positive. And these are super amazing ideas for you guys. Take care. Allah Hafiz, guys.